Adam, lamb skewers with creamy beans. Oh, this sounds like a dish I'm going to love.
Well, this is a traditional dish from north of Italy, Jazz, from Abruzzo, called Arrosticini. We're using lamb backstrap, so it's all been denuded, so all the, obviously, skin and everything's taken off for us.
Yep,
so
no
we're just
fat.
going to slice this into nice, even pieces. Whilst I'm doing this, can you dice the onion and the carrot for me? This is for the beans.
Okay, I can do that.
Now, key, Jazz, when we're doing this, is when you're cutting the meat, make sure they're all the same size, yeah?
Okay, and it's little cubes. It's not big, chunky pieces at all.
So arrosticini, when you're having this in Italy, are little skinny like skewers, and you're eating them on the streets. You know what I mean? You're having it as a snack. So we've done this again at the restaurant for a starter.
Now, talk to me about this amazing new restaurant that you got.
So Ocean Bar and Kitchen at Henley Beach in South Australia. We're located in Henley on the square, left and right coastal views. We're just pretty lucky to, you know, every day go to work and see the ocean changing every half an hour. You know, it's a beautiful outlook. So Jazz, into a bowl, hit it with some olive oil.
Rosemary?
Yes, please.
Okay, how much rosemary?
Yeah, half a sprig, yep, like that.
There we go.
Beautiful. I'm going to hit it with a little bit of salt now and some more later. So when I was actually in Abruzzo, I was lucky enough to go up there. They don't, I guess, overcomplicate their food. Yeah, it's real simple, traditional style. So we don't need to chop this rosemary too fine.
Okay.
Just, you know, chop it up straight in like so.
And I'm just taking the liberty to chop up this carrot. Do you want it the same as...
Oh, yeah, wow. You read my mind. Look at that. Perfect.
Oh, I better ask.
It's only a few years working together.
Only a few.
So around 5 to 6 pieces on a skewer, and the tip here is just to layer it nice and...
Oh, perfect.
Yeah.
And I love these metal skewers because you could just reuse them all the time. They don't splinter, but of course you could just use the bamboo ones.
Yeah, bamboo ones. The only tip there again is just to soak them in some cold water just for half an hour.
So they don't splinter.
Yeah.
All right, well, let's make a few more of these gorgeous lamb skewers and we'll soften up our vegetables in a pot.
Yeah, sounds good.
Great.
Okay, Jazz, our veggie's been cooking for around 10 minutes.
Yep.
Nice and soft there.
Yeah, so you want to really soften them before you add the beans?
Yeah, 100%. And we're using the canned beans here, okay? So cannellini, just obviously strain the liquid, give them a good rinse. Again, in the restaurant, we get dried beans, we soak them for 24 hours, then we do this process and cook them. Convenience, yeah? This is convenience.
I like it. Good.
In they go.
Yep.
Give them a stir. Some chicken stock as well.
Okay.
So I'm just going to allow all the flavours to combine together. Beautiful, perfect. Love. So let that be. They'll cook for around 10 more minutes. And now we start to grill our lamb.
Great, and that's not going to take long at all because it's so lean.
Yeah, exactly right. So just place them in there. Nice hot pan, yeah? You want to hear that sizzle is a definite key.
The sound of summer, isn't it?
Oh, yeah.
Or really, any time of year. I just love turning the barbecue on. And we talk about this could be great in summer, but with a nice, rich bean stew like this, fantastic for winter too.
Yeah, and you know the beans.
The
beans you could make them a couple of days before.
Do you know what I do, Swanee? I make a big batch of that and I freeze it. So all you have to do is just reheat it, cook this. You've got dinner in no time at all.
So I'll just ring you up when I need some more beans.
I'll thaw them for you.
Thank you. Does our lamb, it's perfect, okay? Let's turn the heat off, allow them to sit there and rest. Take our beans out.
So creamy.
Oh, yeah.
This is just a great side for any type of meat or fish. You know, canned beans is one of those things that I have in my pantry for times like this where, I've had pasta, I've had rice, I've had mashed potato, a great alternative and really good for you.
Yeah, definitely. And I like just a little drizzle, olive oil over the top, like so. Yep. Our skewers. Now, is this for both of us today?
Yeah, I need 2 at least.
No problem.
Yum.
There you have it. Pecorino, sheep's milk cheese, yeah? Very bitey, zesty, works so well with this, and traditional as well.
So straight over the top?
Straight over the top, Jazz. And don't be shy.
Okay.
Yeah, nice. And pecorino is quite salty, so it's another form of adding salt to our dish.
Yeah, sure.
Little cheeky lemon on the side.
Stunning, absolutely stunning. Shall we have a taste?
Yeah.
I'll go for the top one with loads of pecorino.
You do that. Tell me. What's this? You become an Italian? I thought you were French.
I'm French, but I love Italian food.
Well,
who doesn't?
Exactly right.
And this is really good. You know what I like? The simplicity of it. You know, I can taste rosemary, I can taste beautiful pecorino, and the creaminess of those beans are so good. This is a great meal to have. Oh, those skewers, perfection. Cheers.
Cheers.